Steel half-barrel, also called cradle, frame caulking gun for 1/10 gal. Cartridges. Thrust ratio of 10:1 for use with low viscosity materials. Smooth pressure rod requires less force and is quieter than a ratchet-style pressure rod. Rod retracts after each pull of the trigger to help prevent dripping. Handle and trigger are padded for comfort. Professional grade 1/10 gallon drip-free caulk gun. Thermoplastic comfort grip. Professional drip-free hex rod. Includes ladder hook. All steel, welded construction. Top reviews from the United States. Great upgrade to the typical caulk gun. It has the cutter, it has the poker, but it has a better slider, and a much better grip. And, of course, the no-drip feature is great. I definitely won't be going back to anything less. Also, they price really isn't that bad when you consider, especially if you're getting it as a homeowner, that this will most likely be your last caulk gun.